Welcome back. Sometimes on long road trips, or if you're using your car for business, putting your stuff down everywhere can be a bit of a hassle sometimes. You've got a drink, you've perhaps got a burger and fries, you've got a laptop, and there's nowhere to put stuff because basically the car's really not designed to place stuff like that in it when you're having a bit of a break. But thanks to arcoche, they've sent me this table. Now it's listed as to be designed to fit Teslas, but as per normal, it will fit any vehicle. So let's see how it fits in the e-niro. So you get this bracket which expands from 2.7 to 3.9 inches. So it fits all types of cup holders. So there's basically 3 sides to expand. So the best way I found of doing it is do it so all 3 are touching a piece of plastic. I think it's there, and then turn the knob, and not too tight, that really locks it in place. Now we have also got an extension which plugs into the top, and then this very handy table. Obviously it's got a post on the back, and just obviously line up the post with the top of the extension bit, which you do get some tape for, so you can tape the extension part, the base part together. And there you go. There you've got your swivelly table that can go into any position. Obviously that's the driver's seat, but you can basically pop it where you want. It's also got, wait for it folks, a handy dandy cup holder to hold your drinks. They come in a range of colours. You got black, orange and truffle brown. I've gone for the black, and it is actually wood underneath. So yeah, nice little usable table slash workstation that you can use when you're parked up. And of course we've got to test it in the Tesla. So again, pop it in, turn the wheel so it expands those points of contact, and that is, believe you me, absolutely solid. And then we have the little extension piece, and then finally the table with the peg to fit into that hole. And there we go, a nice usable workspace for your laptop or your drinks that's movable, and also, as we showed earlier, that old cup holder as well. I quite like that. That's very neat. We are going to take this with us to Spain, because for putting our food on, I'll have to go over the armrest as well. That will be really, really useful. I like that a lot. So the size of this great little table, it's 12.7 inches long and it's 10.2 inches wide. And it's made of proper oak as well. So if you'd like one of these, you can get 22% off between now and the 3rd of December 2025 by quoting JP22 from arcoche. I'll put a link in the description below. This will come with us to Spain. This will be really useful for those comfort break stops while eating and charging. Thanks for watching. See you soon.